Hi everyone, welcome to the Living Kitchen. Uh, as you can see from the video, I was preparing myself to fry some beef sausages. Um, Most of the sausages in our country come from the Farmers Choice Company, and they have got some great stuff. So here I was preparing to warm my frying oil. As you can see, I was letting the pan to first heat a bit, then I'll add the oil. And one of the major hack when you're preparing sausages is to ensure that your oil does not heat to a high temperature. By a high temperature, I mean maybe, you see, like when you're cooking chips, the oil has to be super hot for the chips to turn out to be great. Well, when it comes to the sausages, it's the opposite. Your sausages should heat slowly as the oil temperature also increases, and that way they will cook slowly and they will have that perfect brown color they should have. They will not dry out, they will not have those ugly cracks, and they will not shrink. They'll be the right size. Then they will turn out to be so nice, as you will see by the end of this video, the way my sausages turned out. So here I was, the oil has heated just a bit, and you can check the temperature by feeling the heat. If you find that it is not so hot, now you can add your sausages. Yeah, there I was. I want to add the sausages one by one, slowly. You see, now when the oil is not so hot, they don't overreact. By now they could be jumping all over, but now they're just cool. You just place and they're just there, and that is the way it should be. Thank you for joining me. Please watch up to the end of the video to learn more. Thank you so much, and subscribe.